name is Pritesh Patel. I'm a financial analyst currently working at a company called Cerner, and I'm a part-time trader at the moment. How did I get into trading? So I've always had an interest in it. I've just never had the quite the right vehicle to kind of get myself fully involved and immersed in the trading world. So a few years back, I managed to find like a signal provider, which didn't do too well. Found another binary trader, which again didn't do too well. You can see a kind of a theme coming here. And I joined another company a few months back in September during lockdown. And again, through word of mouth, I then kind of stumbled across P8FX. And then when I compared the two companies, I ended up leaving that previous one and just sticking with P8FX. What made me choose P8FX is Pritesh himself as a person. So it was nice to see the man himself and kind of be able to interact with him and kind of ask him questions directly, him give answers and guide me through whatever I was asking. And the community itself, everyone's so friendly and helpful, and it's just a great atmosphere to be in. So we actually met a few years back. So I used to help run a local Sunday football kind of kickabout, and one of the guys who used to come brought Pritesh along with him. So that's the first time I met Pritesh. Though at that time, if I'm correct, he was working at Tesco only. So trading and investing was his kind of something he was doing on the side, but wasn't really telling anybody about it. And I think it was only a year after that he then started kind of P8FX. Had I known, I probably would have got involved with P8FX a lot sooner and kind of been keeping in touch with him. But as is the world, end up in a roundabout way kind of getting there anyway. I've been with P8FX since May, so we're in August now, so about 4 months. I found it really good. So for me, I had a decent foundational type knowledge of understanding the markets, how they work, but through P8FX, my technical analysis and my belief in myself has just kind of skyrocketed in those 4 months. So to the point where I've been able to increase my lot size. I've just been more comfortable placing trades. I actually place a lot fewer trades than I did before, and I'm actually making more of a profit. So it's actually, kind of rocketed my skills, so to speak. I think it's that interaction with the community and Pritesh directly. So I absolutely love our charts and analysis sessions that we have twice a week, where we all get together and review the charts together, split into groups, go away, come back and analyze together. It's something that I haven't seen anywhere else. So you're not stuck there by yourself, trying to analyze the charts yourself. And if you're unsure about something, you've got no one to kind of bounce ideas off. Whereas here, you've kind of got all of that. And even in our Telegram group, you can just post something and somebody will get back to you and, give you their thoughts. So it's that support that you get within P8FX. That's kind of probably the main thing which encouraged me to just stick with P8FX. For me, how I deal with my losses are, I know what I'm risking. I've calculated my risk. I've entered my stop loss. So I know for a fact that if this trade doesn't go my way, there's a set amount that I'm risking and I'm losing, and I'm mentally already prepared to risk that. So for me, it's fairly simple. As long as I have a stop loss, I'm comfortable, I know what I'm doing. I don't think there's much else about it. I think if I was to get a couple of losses in a row in the same day, then I'd probably just take a step back and just kind of take a breather, go back the next day and, kind of carry on. It's basically because I know that my analysis is right. It could have just been that there was some news in the market which may have skewed what my analysis was telling me, and the direction the market was going to move. At the end of the day, my losses are a lot lower in terms of percentages versus my winnings. So I know that no one's a 100% perfect trader. I know I'm never going to be, but I know my consistency over time is just going to be a lot more profitable in terms of wins than it is going to be in losses. So it's just having that patience and building that consistency to then kind of, help you become a successful trader. So my biggest dream and goal, I suppose, is just to have, as a lot of people kind of say, just financial freedom. For me, I have a decent job, so I'm comfortable, I enjoy my job. And for me, trading as a part-time trader is to help supplement that income. So for me, what that would entail is I can then have those extra nicer holidays or those extra nicer things, spend more time with my family, doing other things, maybe activities, whatever that may be, and then just helping others out as well. So if it got to the point where I was getting that consistent that I could then leave my daytime job and then just keep traveling and trading whenever and wherever, then that would be absolutely amazing. I would definitely kind of embrace that.
Pritesh, thank you very much.
That's great. Thank you for having me.
I hope you are not hungry after that very light breakfast.
I am very hungry. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, man.
Cheers. Take care. Bye.